Think charge-offs will stop you from buying a house? Think again, let's talk about the truth right now. Hi, I'm your name, and today we're breaking down charge-offs. Can they hurt your chances of getting a mortgage? Not really. Most lenders don't count them against you. Stick around to find out why and how to handle them like a pro. First, let's talk about what a charge-off is. It's when a creditor gives up on trying to collect money you owe and marks it as a loss. It sounds scary, but here's the deal. Mortgage lenders usually ignore charge-offs. Yep, if you're buying a house, lenders won't count charge-offs when deciding if you qualify. FHA, conventional, and even VA loans don't factor them in most cases. But here's the catch. Charge-offs still show up on your credit report and lower your score, so it's a good idea to deal with them. Here's how to handle charge-offs. Check your credit report. Get it for free at annualcreditreport.com. Dispute mistakes. If the charge-off is wrong, send a dispute letter to the credit bureau. Negotiate with the creditor. If you want, you can try to settle the charge-off for less than what you owe. Focus on other areas. Keep your balances low and always pay your bills on time to boost your score. Don't let charge-offs scare you. You can still buy a home, even with charge-offs on your credit. Hit that subscribe button for more tips on fixing your credit and reaching your financial goals. Let's make your dream of home ownership a reality.